Let's now shift focus to Mumbai. Mystery surrounds the death of model turned actress Shikha Joshi at her Versova flat. According to the police, the model was found in the bathroom with her throat slit. The police also says that the model was staying in Mumbai with a friend. This incident took place at 6 p.m. on Sunday. Joshi was rushed to the Kokilaben hospital in Andheri, where she was pronounced dead. The police have filed an additional death report and are investigating this entire matter. The police say no suicide note has been recovered from her residence. The kitchen knife was used, has been seized. The police assert that until the post-mortem report is released, the incident will be investigated as a case of suicide. Let's now go across live to Mumbai, where we are joined in by Headlines Today's Viren Gunawat. Morning, Viren. Now, the most important question, Viren, over here is this. Even before the police has been able to, ascertain the complete facts in this particular case, whether the knife that was used, she actually took it inside with her in the bathroom, was there someone there in the bathroom? The post-mortem report is yet to come. In spite of all these things, a lot of grey areas in this particular development, you have the police prima facie concluding that this could be a case of suicide.
Sanket, the police has not concluded the case yet. The latest update is that the postmortem has been done. The body has been handed over to the family, stays in Delhi. She has left her daughter, 19-year-old. She has been staying with her grandparents in Delhi. But very interesting is that the friend of Shikha Joshi, who was staying with her, and even the friend's husband was staying with her, Shikha Joshi, what she claims that she had recorded her statement on the mobile audio recording that and in that she had asked Shikha, why you attempted why you slit your throat, and Shikha said that she was very frustrated. She was not getting any good roles in television, even in the film. She has done just one small role in a film called BA Pass, and she was quite struggling a model. So overall, she was being frustrated, according to her friend's statement that she had recorded in the mobile clip, which she has submitted to the Mumbai police, which is under investigation. Second part is that the police has found, that still need to be confirmed, the police has found 2 more cut marks. So what the police are trying to say, that she had a history of, attempting suicide. As of now, they are not saying is it a suicide. They are still investigating whether it's a homicide or is it a suicide. But yes, investigation is on. But the postmortem has been done in the Cooper Hospital. The body has been handed over to Delhi family. Back to Sanket.
Okay, Viren. Many thanks for joining us at this moment. So, as far as the investigations are concerned, there seems to have been some forward movement in this particular case. That's what the police is concluding.